This Century 21 Dean Gilbert Realtors property video is presented by Bill Westhoff. New construction in Brookstone Estates. Adorable home has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms with an excellent open floor plan. Inside you'll find wood floors, carrara quartz countertops, 9-foot ceilings, custom-built cabinetry, wood-burning fireplace and more. The kitchen has a large island, stainless appliances, large backyard and stained cedar privacy fence, covered front and rear porches, fully landscaped and irrigated. Convenient West Sherman location with easy access to Highway 1417, Highway 56, Highway 82 and Highway 75. January 2nd 10 warranty included. For more information, review the details below or contact Bill Westhoff at 214